Hey, it's Rick. I got a really cool Bronco here to show you, but before I show you, take a look at what it looked like before. This is a Bronco Outer Banks, does not have Sasquatch package, cactus gray paint, and my good friend Kevin brought it over to Rabid Customs to let us do some fun, functional, great looking. This is the retro package with the graphics and everything else. But I tell you what, I don't know as much about it as Brandon does. So let's kick it over to Raptor Ridge and see what Brandon has to say.
Hey, thanks Rick. This is Brandon from Rabid Customs across from the #1 Mega Mall. Let's talk about our 2023 Ford Bronco Retro build we just had in the shop here. We'll start off things here in the front with the Oxford white painted grille with the blue letters, blue tow hooks. We put this thing on the ground with some 35 1250 BFG KO2s with some Pro Comp 17 by 9 inch wheels, some Ford Performance 2-inch lift. Went ahead and applied the Rabid Retro Vinyl to the vehicle with the Bronco script badges. Topped it off with the window tint to match the rears. If you got any questions or would like a quote for your Bronco, come see us, hit us up in an email, give us a call. Thanks.
All right, so if you've got a Bronco, 4x4, Wrangler, Land Rover, anything you want to modify, do off-road, come to Rabid Customs, talk to Brandon and his team, and you too can be Rabid Off Road.